everything about Loan Factory, why we are the best platform for loan officer, why we are growing so fast, why so many loan officers joining Loan Factory. And I also want to show you how we move a loan from A to Z so that you understand. If you join, you understand. And I also want to answer any question you have. Any question you have. I want you to be critical. I want you to take it very serious. This is the chance for you to improve your business, for you to be successful, for you to make a lot of money. Therefore, I want you to ask a lot of questions. Anything that you want. Let's say you know that in order to be successful, you need to have this, this, and this. Ask me if I can help you with, any question you have. I love to answer. I want you to be. And I'm pretty sure that at the end of this webinar, you're gonna learn something. You're gonna learn a lot from this webinar. Okay. Uh, let me see. Let me see. Okay, I can start right now, and I will share with you my screen. I will share with you my screen. Okay. If you let me see. If you have the camera, you can turn it on. I would love to see you as well. Uh, okay, I will turn on okay. You see my screen, right?
Yes.
For some reason, I lost it. Okay, here, I saw that. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. Okay, cool. So this is our main website. One thing about this business is you have to be a good loan officer if you want to be successful. You don't want to be an average loan officer because there are so many choices out there. If you are not special, if you are not good, if you are not successful, nobody wants to come to you. Nobody wants to come to you. So the psychology is very important. I want every one of you to know this. The psychology. You need to understand your clients. How can you win the client if you don't understand them? If you don't know how to talk to them, you don't know what they want. You don't engage in the conversation with them. You don't show them what they want, then they won't pick you, right? So it is so important that you understand your clients. You know what they want. Then you can do things around that to make sure they like you, they will pick you, right? So the client, think about this. A loan officer is just like a realtor, just like a doctor, just like an attorney. The consumer will pick you if you are good, if you are an expert, if you can provide them the best value. If you are just an average loan officer, there's nothing special, then why would people work with you? Think about that. You too, right? Principle, I want all of you to know that when you join Loan Factory, you become better than all loan officers out there. And I can prove it to you. I can prove it to you. You become better than them. And because you are better than them, you can promote a lot of crazy things that nobody else can do. And because of that, a lot of people know you. And they know you, they will come to you, right? Know, like, and work with you and love. First you need to let them know about you, and then they like you, and then they will do business with you, right? Step by step. And when you are become so good, you have a lot of better product and service to offer your client, you will gain the confidence. And confidence is also important. When you talk to the client or a realtor, the confidence make a big difference. If you don't have the confidence, people know that. People sense it. People don't want to work with you. Just like you when you talk to an attorney or the realtor and you ask them to help you. If you sound that they're not an expert, they don't have the confidence, you're not going to work with them, right? Same thing here. If you want to be successful, you have to determine that I have to become an expert. I have to become so good that I can beat all the loan officer out there. And the client, they have to come to me because I'm better. So when you join Loan Factory, you will become a better loan officer. And I will prove it to you now. And feel free to ask me any question if you don't feel so, if you don't think so. Ask me. Okay? I want you to challenge me because that is what needed. And you can challenge your client. If you can challenge your client, say, hey, you work with me. I give you the best service and best pricing. And of course, all loan officer can say that, but they cannot prove it. You can prove it. You can challenge your client and show your client that you have the best pricing, best service. You can do all that. Okay, at Loan Factory, we will empower you. Everything that make me become #1 loan officer in the country, I give it to you. So there, right there, you are better than all loan officers out there. So if you look at our main the website right here, you can see that it's simple website, but it's very functional. It does the work. It convinces the client. It makes the client like us and fill out the application. So on the left side, you can see we have the $2,000 best price guarantee. $2,000 best price guarantee. If we cannot beat another offer, you will receive $2,000. This is our challenge to our clients, that we have the best rate. And you know that nowadays, all clients, they shop around crazy. They want to have better rate, right? And here we are. We are the only company, you are the only loan officer out there that can promote this. You can tell the client, hey, I have the best rate. I challenge you to shop around and come to me. I will prove to you that I can beat that rate. If not, if I cannot beat the rate, I give you $2,000. We have this program, and here's the term and condition. We make it available everywhere except Washington. Okay, and it is so easy. The customer fill out their name, email, and phone number and upload the loan estimate. That is the first step. The second step, we get back to them and let them know if we can beat it or not. If we beat it, they work with us. If we cannot beat that deal, we tell them, say, hey, go ahead and close the loan with that lender. After you close the loan, send us the final CD. We pay you $2,000. Simple. And the term and condition here, we only honor fixed rate conventional conforming loans, FHA and VA loans. We will exclude builder, preferred lender, and credit union because it's not apple to apple. It's not fair to compare against the bank or credit union or preferred lender, preferred lender, because they have a relationship. They have, because of that relationship that they want to build, that they want to have. That's why we cannot compare. This program, you can promote it when you join Loan Factory. We build a website for you, almost the same as the main website, almost the same. You promote your website, you promote this program, and if we lose $2,000, the company will pay. You don't have to pay. We launched this program 2 years already, and we lost nothing. We haven't lost at all because we not only we have the best rate, but we have the gut. We have the gut to help the clients. We have the gut to challenge the client and challenge all the loan officers to compete against us. And nobody dare to. And that's how good we are. That's how good we are. So any question about this program? Oh, look like I didn't share the screen. I'm sorry. I shared the wrong screen. Look like I shared the wrong screen. Here is the program. Let me go back here. I'm sorry. Here's the main website. You can see the left side is the $2,000 best price guarantee, right? We guarantee that our pricing is the best. If not, we give the borrower $2,000. And here is the term and condition. 3 steps they can do. First step, give us the LE. Second step, we let them know if we can beat it or not. Third step, they get $2,000 if we cannot beat it. Simple. Okay. And you can promote this. We have a lot of marketing materials for you to use to promote. And we have it in your language too. You can promote it. There's nothing better than promoting marketing advertisement in your language, your client language. Let's say if you are Indian, you promote it in your language. And you know Indian or Asian, we shop around crazy. And if you show them that we have this program, they love you. They will save your information so that a year, 2 years, or 2 years from now, they need a mortgage, they call you. Any question about this program? Okay.
I do.
Yes, go ahead.
Is this for purchase only, or is this also refinance?
Purchase and refinance.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's conventional FSA and VA. Yeah, and by the way, you can raise your hand too if you have any question. Now let me go back to this pricing engine on the right side. So because our pricing is so good, we want to show it to the world. We want everyone to see it. When you have something not good, you want to hide it. And that's exactly what happened in the bank, the credit union, the retail lender. They have high rate, and that's why they don't want to show that on their website. But for us, we have very good rate, and that's why we show that to everyone. So we can run the pricing. If you pay attention, you see we have no income doc and full doc. So we have non-QM pricing engine as well as normal pricing engine. And this pricing engine is for the consumer. If you pay attention, everything we do better than our competitors, even the pricing engine. I want you to pay attention to every little thing. We do better. Everything we do better than our competitors. So the pricing engine, not only a consumer-facing pricing engine for the consumer, but it also covers non-QM loan. And there's many more. Let me show you. You see, it's so easy to use, right? They just enter a few basic information and click on Get Quote. And there is another thing about our pricing engine. We check to see if the borrower qualifies for affordable home ownership program. Most loan officers don't even aware that the income does affect the rate. But I will come back to this screen later to show you how income help the rate better. Okay, but right now let me run a typical scenario. You can see that you can see the rate. So you can see how easy it is for the consumer to run pricing, and for you too. And the goal is to make everything simple, not only for the borrower, but for you. As the loan officer, you hate dealing with complicated system, complicated software, complicated process. And you know that if you play around with Loan Shifter, it's so freaking difficult to understand, to use. and you log into the lender website. Their website also difficult to use. And look at this pricing engine. It's so easy to use. And let's check out the pricing. This one is so easy that everyone can understand. This is the parameter of the loan, right? The scenario. Uh, the top here is the rate for 30 year, 20 year, 15 years. And you go down here, you can see the rate and the points of credit. You can see that if you want low rate, the borrower have to pay 7,800 points. But if they increase the rate, they pick a high rate, they pay less than point, and they even get a credit. And we show the lender name here and the payment here. So easy to use. And then the lender see, the borrower can see, oh, we have 34 lenders. Click on it. Then they can see that the best lender is Pylon. The second best lender is Next Bank. The third best lender is CMG. And you can go down the list. And then pretend that you are a client, a borrower. You look at this, you say, wow, so many lenders, so many different pricing. And if I want this rate, right? I don't want this rate down here. Provident Funded, Rocket. Look at, I think European is somewhere around here. And look at the difference. $3,000 points versus $1,000 credit. How much is that? $4,000 difference. Imagine every loan you make $4,000 extra. How about that? Or imagine that you give your client $2,000, so that the pricing is so good, they are so happy, your borrower is so happy, and you make $2,000 extra per loan. How would you feel about that? Your client is super happy. They're not going to shop around anywhere else. You're not going to lose the client. And you make $2,000 extra per loan. When that happened to you, what would happen to your business? It's going to grow, right? You're going to make more money. Your business keep booming. And this is exactly what we provide. Best pricing that nobody can come close. So good. Everything becomes so good. When you join Loan Factory, you have everything. You have everything. Better technology. Everything's so easy and simple. And when you click on this, on the lender name, you can see the compensation. And this Loan Factory will get paid $4,500. And if you click on Next Bank, we set only 1%. So at the main website, we set everything at 1%. But there's some exception, like Pylon. You make more. You make, instead of 4,000, you make more. So in this case, Pylon, their pricing is more than 100 bps better than Rocket Mortgage. You know, a loan amount is only 400,000. 100 bps is 1%. 1% of the loan amount is $4,000. And in this case, Pylon pricing is more than 4,000 better than Rocket. Got it? Hey, JP.
Hey, Tuan, how are you?
Good.
Good. Hey, so I'm just waiting for onboarding, but I was told by someone on the recruiting team that because Pylon is new with you guys, we are not able to send all the loans to Pylon. I guess it's selected by the underwriting team.
Yeah, every day we submit about 3 to 4 loans to them every day. Pylon, I can talk more about Pylon.
Mm-hmm.
They are very special. They are not a traditional lender. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
They are not a traditional lender. That means they're not traditional. So that means everything they do is completely different. Okay, so they are a startup company. in Silicon Valley, California. Their goal is not to make a lot of money like Rocket or European. They're not traditional, so everything is different. So their goal is to, of course, all companies, they want to be successful. They have different goal, right? One company, most companies, their goal is to make a lot of money. And this is something I want to share with you, and I want you to learn. It's really, really helpful. I follow the same principle, and that's why I become #1 loan officer in the country. If you want to be successful, learn from Pylon Lending. Learn from me. I'm going to show you the secret. So their goal is not making money right now. Their goal right now might be 5 years from now. They want to make tons of money. But right now, their goal is not to make money because they are a startup company. They are small. They are a technology company. They are not traditional lender. So their goal is to come up with a solution to streamline how a loan should be made, how to originate a loan, so that traditional lender costs them $12,000 to manufacture one loan. For them, it costs them $1,000. So their challenge is different. They want to prove that a loan can be so simple. It's a commodity. It's so easy to underwrite a loan, to close a loan, to manufacture a loan. It's so easy and it's cheap. And that's what they want. They want to be able to close a loan quickly, easily, effortless, and it costs so little. And that is their goal. They don't want to make so much money. So in order to accomplish that goal, they have to use technology. They are a fintech company. They're in Silicon Valley. They use technology. So first of all, they are backed by Peter Thiel, Citibank, and other big investors. And they have direct access to Wall Street pricing, the trading desk. So their pricing is the same as Rocket or European. But with Rocket or European, their markup is about 100 bps. This lender pass it all to you and me. They don't need it. They don't care. That's not their goal. Their goal is not to make money. Their goal is to work with Loan Factory to build a loan process that's so easy, so simple, and so automated. Right? So that's why they love to work with Loan Factory, and they will not work with any other lender for the rest of the year. I can tell you that. I talked to the CEO. Their goal is not to grow fast. Their goal is not to make money. Their goal is not to work with so many broker and loan officer out there. Their goal is to work with Loan Factory to build that system, that process. Then they can prove that to the investor that they can do it. Right? So right now we are heavily involved and working with Pylon to perfect this process. And the moment we finish it, everything flowing crazy. Everyone can submit loan. We are heavy. So yeah, go ahead.
Oh, sorry about that. So at the moment, then individual LO is probably not even able to advertise Pylon's rate to their customers then?
Why not? Why not? We still can accept loans.
Because we wouldn't know if you would submit the loan to Pylon.
We will submit if it qualify. If it fit the box, we still can take it. I don't think we've been saying no to our client, to our loan officer, if it fit the box. So, right now everything's slow.
Mm-hmm.
You know that, right? Everything's slow right now. Rates are high. Refinance disappear. Purchase is also very slow. We know that. So there are some restriction with Pylon. They only take W-2 borrower. That's the first thing.
Got it.
Second thing, If the borrower have rental income, we can submit if the borrower doesn't need to use rental income to qualify. So basically, Pylon right now, they only focus on simplify the process. So if the loan is too complicated, it needs verification from the IRS for the tax transcript. It need to do VOE and all that. If too much work, then they will say no. They will deny they don't want to take those loans.
Okay.
But if it W2 simple loan, no problem, send it in. So let me tell you about their process. Their process, pretty simple. Right now there's some bug, and we are working on fixing that. But I hope that in about 2 weeks, everything will be fixed and we can turn it on. So basically, the borrower go to our website. Remember that when you join Loan Factory, we build a website for you. Exactly the Letterman website. It has all your information there. You can purchase your own domain name. You can go to GoDaddy.com and buy your domain name. You can have your own domain name and promote it. You own that. Okay. And the borrower, when they go to your website, they fill out application. Our application is very short and simple. And we have AI on it. AI can help fill out the application. And the borrower, we can ask them, oh, are you a W2? Are you W2 or self-employed? They say they are W2. Then we automatically switch them to Pylon. We will ask them to log into the bank account so that they can submit the bank statements. They don't need to upload it. Log into the bank, boom, we have their bank statement. We'll ask them to log into their employer payroll account so that we can have their pay stub. They log it in, boom, we have it. And then they will be able to order their own credit report. They click on it, they pull the credit report. Everything like that happen, Pylon is paying for that. You don't pay, the borrower don't pay. If the loan doesn't close, it costs you and your client $0, nothing. If the loan end up closed, they only pay the normal fee, $126 for credit report. That's it. And also, that system will automatically try to underwrite the loan. They will pull the credit report. They have the credit report, income and access, right? So they all verify. And that's what we call day one certainty. Fannie and Freddie call that day one certainty. I bet most of you heard about it. And if for day one certainty loans, the loan is guaranteed to be purchased by Fannie and Freddie. There's no risk at all. That's why they want to do only those day one certainty loan. So the Pylon will run AUS and their own proprietary AI engine to know if the loan should be approved or not. If the loan is approved, remember everything automated so far, right? If the loan is approved, they will order the appraisal report automatically as well. They pay for it upfront. If the loan doesn't close, you and your client don't have to pay. Everything happens so fast. So, and because day one certainty, underwriting is simple, and because the income and assets have been verified and approved, the loan can be closed so quick. So now you're talking about a simple loan, easy loan. The borrower do most of the work. You do very little. The client, the processor do very little. We close the loan very fast. You make more money. The client get the best rate. Everyone win. Any question on this?
I
No,
have
just,
one question, please.
Yeah. Next time, raise your hand. Tap on the link. But go ahead, Charlie.
Oh, and I got the wrong name on there. Sorry about that. Hey,
Yeah.
so simple. So disability, Social Security award letters. That's not considered simple for Pylon, right?
Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we work with anything W2 borrow. Basically, it's a
There's
simple.
only
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Charlie. So I can move on. No more question. I can move on. And because Pylon, their goal is completely different than us. So that's why they don't want to sign up with more broker or loan officer out there. But we are one of the very few, and we get a lot of special treatment. We have all kind of resources from them. Okay. Let me share with you more. Okay. So that is they are very smart. They solve, they know what they want, and they focus on accomplish what they want. And that's how they can be successful. They are not greedy. They know that they can easily keep some of the money, or every loan they can keep $1,000 or $2,000, right? Easily. The rate are so good already. They have so much demand, but they know that their goal is to solve the problem. If they accomplish it, then it can be so big. It can be so successful. And I follow the same principle 20 years ago when I become a loan officer 20 years ago. I do the same thing. I was not greedy. Loan officer and realtor normally we are greedy. We want to make more money on every loan, right? Why not? Everyone want to make more. But I was not greedy. I'm not one of those. My goal was not making a lot of money. I know that because I am new. I'm a new loan officer. And you know that when you are for a newbie, you don't have the expertise, the experience, the knowledge, the power to command premium pricing. So let's say for a good doctor, good attorney, they charge high rate and people still come to them, right? And for bad attorney, bad doctor, or bad realtor, nobody want to come to work with them. And that's why you see more than 70% of realtor or loan officer out there, they have no business because they have nothing. They're not good. But then for the busy one, people will come. For me, every month I close 100 loans. Every month, people just come to me. They know that they work with me. They have a peace of mind. They get the best rate. They get the best service. If anything go wrong, I will step in and fix it. They know that. People know that because I'm not going to let my reputation ruin. Right? I have to protect my reputation. I need to do everything possible to make sure no client complain, and they have to be happy. So that kind of service I provide to my client, even though I don't deal with them, but they know me, they like me, they know that I'm behind everything. So you need to. So back 20 years ago, I know that as a beginner, I need clients. I need a lot of clients. I need, back then I don't need money. You know what I need? I need to become an expert. I need to have a lot of experience. So my goal back then was, how can I become an expert? How can I become so good that everyone want to work with me? And in order to become an expert like that, I know that I have to have a lot of clients. I have to be trained. I have to suffer. I have to close every month. I have to close 5 to 10 loans a month at least for 6 months. Imagine that all of you, I know for sure that if all of you, if you close 5 or 10 loans a month for 6 months, you become an expert. You're going to be so good, right? Common sense. If you've been trained so hard like that, you deal with so many loans, so many different clients, so many different scenarios, you become an expert. So becoming an expert, it should be your goal, not making a lot of. Therefore, back then, what I do is I'm willing to do for free. Most of the loan that I do at the beginning, I make $500 or $1,000. I didn't care. I didn't care how much money I make, but I make sure I learn, make sure I become an expert. And once I become an expert, everyone want to come to me. Everyone's spreading the word. Hey, Tony's good. He had the best rate. He had the best service. I call him. He always pick up the phone. He patiently answer my question. Every question is so good. I like it. I like to hear whatever he say. You know, I build a reputation. And because of that, people love to work with me. And I think you should do the same. Like Pylon, their goal right now is not about making money. They want to have the best process in place. So good that loan officer, borrower, broker, they all want to work with Pylon. And they want to be so good that investor like Peter Thiel, investor like venture capitalists, they pump in millions of dollars to the company because they solve a problem that nobody can solve. How to reduce cost to manufacture a loan from $12,000 to $1,000. Nobody have ever solved that problem, right? So, I mean, there's so much more I can show you, and I can show you some more. Like here, the pricing here, you can see the pricing, and you can compare the different pricing. You click on compare here, click on compare now. You will see the comparison. You can all that is the buy down option, right? No, that is compare lender. You can do a buy down option, and then you can share it with your client as well. You can share with your client. You can see 46,000 saving, or you can compare 20 years versus 30 years. This is really cool. Remember, everything we do, our technology is the best because everything I want it so easy, so fast. Because I build it for myself. I didn't have time to deal with the client. They ask all kind of questions, and if the client asks you a question and it takes you 30 minutes to answer, that is bad. You need to answer right away, impress them. So if the client say, what if I want to go 20 years? I do quick, 10 seconds, I have the answer. And I show them how much they save, almost $200,000, over $400,000 loan. And I share it with them. I take picture or share with their email. I do everything super fast, super good that people love me. That is the power. You utilize technology so that you become so good. The client can see the fee right away. They don't have to ask for it. You don't have to provide it. They can check on the fees. They can see it right away. They can click on it to apply. They can see they can create a rate alert. Let's say if they want a lower rate, they say it's not good enough. They can create a rate alert themselves. All they need to do is enter their name and their email. That's it. We'll monitor the rate for them and let them know. They can see if they qualify or not. All they need to do is enter the income. And we tell them if they qualify or not. It's so easy. Everything's so easy, so fast. And go back to the earlier problem. I told you about the income, right? For example, for a typical purchase, But if the borrower have low credit score, let me show you what happens. Let me show you what happened when borrower credit score is low. The rate go up crazy, right? Almost 6.5%. However, if you ask them, are you first-time buyer? Yes. If your income is $230,000, you ask them for their income. If they say, hey, my income is $230,000, you select it, and boom, they qualify for AMI rate discount. The government is helping people with low or average income. $200,000 a year income is considered low or medium in Silicon Valley, and therefore they get the better rate. And look at the new rate right here. Look at the new rate, 5.625. Come on. Most loan officers out there don't even know about this. They will quote the rate at 6.5 because they think that FICO score is so low that affecting the rate. But now, if you take into account the income, then the rate becomes so good. And we help you. We help the client. Everything transparent. Everyone can use the tool to find the rate. So your client is going to be so happy. So think about this. Imagine you compete against Loan Factory, and you quote the rate 6.5. I quote the rate 5.625. Who's gonna win? Right? Who's gonna win? And the client, they can apply now. They can fill out the application. Our application, we have a short application for them. It's not a long one. It's really easy. It's easy. You can fill out an email. You can fill out answer. Our application is very short, very easy, and we have AI to help. So, for example, here, as a loan officer, you can click here to create a new loan, right? You can manually fill it out, or you have AI to fill it out for you, or you can invite the borrower to fill out the application. You can issue a quick pre-qualified letter, or you can import a 3.4 Fannie Mae XML format. So let's say AI to fill out application for you. All you need to do is to drag the document here. It can be a driver license, W-2, tax return, pay stub, bank statement, any of that. Drag it here. AI will read it and fill out the application. Just like you, the client gives you a stack of paperwork, tax return, pay stub, and all that. You look at that, you fill it out, right? Same thing here. AI will do that for you. Hi, Rob. Hello, Rob.
Sorry, I had to unmute. When you send the application link to the customer, does the customer have the same option to drop their pay stubs and W-2s?
Yes,
Fill out the
same
application
thing.
form? Okay.
Same thing. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Hello, Derek.
Hey, how are you?
Yes. Hi.
Hey, do you offer a P&L model or just straight comp?
We have a team.
Okay.
So the team and branch are almost the same.
Okay.
It's better. The team, you don't have overhead. You can work together. You can help each other. The team is much better, and we have that. We support a team so that you can bring in a team, or you can join and then recruit other people to join your team.
Okay.
You can be the team leader, or you can join a team, up to you. Everything.
Okay.
We open up everything, and as a fintech company, we automate everything. So let's say you have a team. We help you build a team. You and the team member will agree on the split, and you can specify different split with different team member, 90-10, 80-20. It's up to you. And when they close the loan, the system know the split, and split up and pay you. So everything will be automated for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And let me see. One thing is we have a mobile app. Okay. Every one of you can have a mobile app. You can share the mobile app with your client. When they download, you share a QR code or a link. They download it, they become your client. They fill out application, they create red alert, everything. And our mobile app, we are the only company in America that have mobile app that loan officer can use mobile app and do everything. You don't need a computer. You don't need internet. Everything is the mobile app. You can travel, you pull up, 30 seconds, you see everything. You can interact with your client, with your processor over the app. The client, same thing. We are building an Uber of mortgage. The client can download the app and obtain the loan through the mobile app. We are the only company that can do this in America. We're the first one and the only one. And we are making more improvement. So the version that we're going to release very soon is the borrower, they can fill out the app over the phone, right? And they can upload the document. AI will read it. And then for missing value, like purchase price and down payment and all that, our AI will interview the borrower. They don't have to type in the little screen. You know, AI can, just like imagine like you, right? The borrower gives you a stack of paper. You use AI to read everything. And then for the missing value, you interview them, right? Say, hey, so tell me, what is the purchase price? What is the down payment? Or do you want to cash out? How much you want to cash out? Those information, AI can interview for you. AI will interview the borrower and say, hey, tell me, what is your phone number? Things like that. We will capture, AI will interview the borrower.
What are you
So
doing?
I'm sorry, Esther, you have a question for me?
Oh no, I'm
Okay.
so sorry. No.
Okay. Can you mute? Thank you. So that is the technology that we are talking about. We have tons of technology. So here on the help here, if you click on it, you can see our AI. We have MCP. Some of you might hear about that. You can ask any question about, we're going to improve this so that you don't have to select, but you can ask questions about our policy, the guidelines, the disclosure, the AI center. There's so much going on. You can check if the phone belongs to a do not call. Is in the do not call list or not. There's so much that you can do with AI. Let me go back to this. Okay. Let me share with you the sandbox. I cannot show you the client data because I have to protect the client privacy, and I cannot share with you my client information. But I can share with you on the sandbox the feature that we have. It's so weird. It's not showing up anymore. I don't know what happened. So here, I can express it. I can share that like this. So basically, here's the loan process. Here's the entire loan process. You either can help them fill out the application or they fill it out, right? When they fill out the application, they can pull the credit report themselves if they want to. You have the control. You can see my screen, right? You can see the important setting here, or system setting here. You can set up so that you can set up how you want to communicate with your client, how they want to communicate. You can set up so many things. Everything is customizable. So for example, on your website, you can set up to allow the client to pay for and pull the credit report themselves, or you can pay for it. It's up to you. You can set up so that your pricing engine, you can hide some lender, or you can show only one lender, or show all lender. You can set up so that you can hide the lender name. You can set up, you can customize a lot on your website. And that is the power of technology. You can set up your compensation as well. So let's say you want to make 2% per loan. You can do that. You can set up so that your pricing engine reflects 2% compensation. Or you can set up, you want to be competitive. So you can set up at 0.5% comp. It's up to you. The only thing we require is you better honor that. You have to be truthful. You cannot do bait and switch. You have to be honest. You have to be transparent. So if you set up 0.5% on your pricing engine, you better honor that, because the client, they check on it and they will come to you and say, hey, how come your website showed this? And you better know how to answer that. So that's who we are. We are very transparent. We want our client to know everything. What they get is what they see. What you see is what you get, basically. So our system, we build all the technology in-house. You don't need to subscribe to Landing Tree. I'm sorry. You don't need to subscribe to Arrive or Landing Pad. You don't need to subscribe to Loan Shifter. You don't need to pay for any of that. We provide you all the software for free. You pay the company nothing. We don't charge monthly fee. That's how good we are. All the company out there, they either charge you, they force you to pay a monthly fee, or they will charge you a higher split. We are the only fintech company that build everything ourselves. And we don't charge you any monthly fee. Okay. Hello, hi, Seth.
Aloha, Tuan. We've gotten a lot of questions in the chat. Maybe we could show people the marketplace really quickly at some point.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Here we have a marketplace. We create a marketplace so that we bring everyone together. We bring all the resources together. So for example, we are working with 228 lenders, and the lender are on this page, lender. You can see that some of them are live. That means you can talk to them live. You can click on this. You can see that, you can click here to talk to someone live if you want to. And you can see the AE information here. You can call or email them. So you can see all information about the lender here. All information, their address, their URL, their license, everything. So we bring information to you. We want to help you. We want to connect everyone together. So this is the lender page. You can filter by correspondent or wholesale. So at Loan Factory, we have correspondent and wholesale. You can, if you switch to correspondent, you see that Loan Factory has the license in 40 states. And here are the states. And here are the lender that we correspondent with. You can look up any lender in here, the list of 228 lender, all lender. You can look up a product like non-QM or private loan. So if you select a private loan, you will see that we have 76 lenders that can do private loan. So we can do any type of loans, pretty much. From non-QM, private loan, commercial, you can select commercial. And you can see that we have 41 lenders that can do commercial loan. And you can click on it to contact them. Or you can email them all at the same time. Let's say you have a scenario. You don't know which lender can do it. You can click here, email this lender a scenario, and you type in the scenario. You can select a state or something about something more information, and then you can decide to send to 20 lender. They will get notified and they will get back to you. Okay, they will get back to you, and that is what we have here, lender finder. You can see our loan officer asking questions every day, and then the lender answer. That's how we can connect, get you an answer quickly. I bet that in the past, most of you, if all of you, if not all of you, run into situation that you have a tricky scenario and you don't know what lender can help, what type of loan, and you give up, and you gave up. You told your realtor or your clients, oh, I'm sorry, I don't do it. And not only that, it's also make you feel so bad because it takes you a long time to answer, and the client or realtor will never come back to you because you said no to them. You don't do it. You cannot do it. You cannot help them. And whenever you say no to people, they will not come back to you. So you can do all types of loans. You can do all types of loan. Reverse mortgage, mobile home loan. Mobile home loan, we have about 3 lenders. Vacant land or lot, SBA loan. We have all kinds of loan to help you. Not only that, you can reach out to them directly, or you can email all of them a scenario. You can also ask our underwriter. So we have a tab we call Loan Factory here. And on Loan Factory, you can see that we have support specialists who are live to help you. Any question you have, talk to the support specialist. If you have an underwriting question, you can talk to an underwriter. You can also talk to our corporate coach. We have 2 corporate coaches are live, waiting to help you. This kind of support you cannot get anywhere else out there, and it's free. It's free. Okay, so it's a lot of support. Everything is. That's why I always claim that we are the best platform for loan officer. You get all kind of support, all kind of information, the best technology, and you pay us nothing. Hi, Angie.
Hi, I wanted to ask, do you guys do the Native American HUD 184?
I think so. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure, but you can ask our underwriter that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we do that. Yeah. And then we have so many different departments. So many, 41 departments. 41 here. You can, any department, you can click a button to ask a question, or you can create a ticket for them. We have policy, we have AI to answer your question. You have a team here. You go here, you can see different team. You can decide to join them, or you can click here to request to join them. You can contact the team leader. So we have so many different teams at Loan Factory. We encourage everyone to work together. Corporate coach. We have a coach to help new loan officer. So if you are a new loan officer, we require you to work with them. We pay you, I think, 70% on the first 5 loans, but you have one corporate coach to work with. They help you with everything. They coach you on the first 5 loans. They look at the loan with you. They answer all questions you have. They help you. They work with you on the loan and make sure it can be closed. So you get support from the coach for these first 5 loans. If you are new, if you're inexperienced. We also have production partner. We have a lot of things, but let me try to wrap up because there's so much more I want to share with you. On the event, we have a lot of training every day. A lot of training every day. You can enjoy, you can learn, and for the one that completed, you can also watch it. Okay. Let me see. We have let me see. I want to show you something else. I will go back and forth. There's so much information, and that's why at Loan Factory, there's so much that we offer to our loan officer, so much, and I don't have time to share everything. But I want to summarize it here. It's loaded. Okay, so our technology, we build our own technology. It's the best technology out there, and it's free. You get free training from us. You get the marketing and underwriting support. So marketing support, we have a team of marketing staff, 11 people. They will help you with all kind of requests. Let's say if you want to have a customized image, they can build it for you. If you want to edit a video, they can help you. If you need to run an ad, they can help you. So we provide this kind of service, and it's free. Our underwriter also support you. If you have a difficult scenario, you can ask them. You want to know which lender or where to send it to, what product you should pick, they can help you. They can also help you calculate DTI. They can help you fight against the lender, all kind of things. They will help you, and it's free. The commission, we are a flat fee company. That means you get paid 100%. Minus whatever lender pay us, you get paid 100%. You keep everything. You only pay Loan Factory $5.95, which is the best out there. I challenge you to find any company out there that do better than us in terms of commission, in terms of support, in terms of technology, in terms of pricing, everything. And there's much more. I can show you more later. A lot more. The in-house processing fee is only $500, and you can charge the borrower. If you send a loan to the correspondent line channel, then you can charge the borrower the processing fee. For wholesale, you cannot charge the borrower. However, you can always increase your compensation to make it up. Remember, you can adjust your compensation. You know, for every loan, you can choose to be a lender pay. Lender pay compensation, we set at 250 bps. 250 bps. But you can always switch it to borrow pay and lower your compensation. You can charge 200, 180, 160 bps, 150 bps, 100 bps. It's up to you. Okay? And some of the state, you are required to be paid W-2. So if you are W-2, you get paid 90% instead of 100%. And that is the difference. You get paid less. Okay? We have some lead here and there, not a lot, especially right now. Everything's slow. We don't have a lot of lead, but we do have company lead. That means the borrower who fill out the application on our website, we have the application, they know us, they like us, they fill out application already. And in 42 states, the company will give it to our loan officer as a lead. If you are lucky, if you're fast enough, you will be the loan officer of this loan. You get paid very little, 25 bps only. But you also do very little. You are the loan officer of this loan, and you have that relationship with the clients. so that in the future, if the client come back, and if the client come back, in the future, if the client come back or refer more clients, they belong to you. You are self-generate them. Okay. You also receive a cash or RSU when you join the company, or if you refer more loan officer to the company, you get paid. And remember, this is the bonus that we pay for referring loan officer or you if you join Loan Factory. And because Loan Factory is a much better platform for loan officer, it's so easy to refer loan officer to Loan Factory. And all you need to do is refer them, fill out the form here. That's it. And you get paid for referring loan officer to Loan Factory. Let me share with you the loan process. But before that, let me run something. Let me show you. See, this is the pricing engine I showed you earlier, right? On the bottom here.
Juan, I think we're still on the marketplace screen.
Strange. Okay. Okay. Here's after we run the pricing, we see the rate, right? On the bottom, you will see the loan officer. We are the only company that do this to help promote our loan officer. Our loan officer, you can see some of us have a lot of review. Look at me, 5,700 reviews, 5-star. That is average. All of us get 5-star. Only some lady here got 4.9, and that is considered not good. What's special about Loan Factory is our technology, our process, our support, our processor, we all are so good that our clients are happy with us. And all of them give us 5-star review. The processor, you will work with one processor, not many. So that way you build relationship with the processor, you know how to work with the processor, you know, both of you know how to work together. The processor is supposed to touch your loan every day. They're supposed to close the loan fast. When the loan is approved, they're supposed to call you and discuss all the conditions so that you and the processor are on the same page. The processor is supposed to escalate to you if they run into any issue, or they have to escalate to their manager to solve the problem. We fix problem early so that we don't have last-minute problem. The processor is supposed to do a good job. And one of their KPI, they have to obtain at least 50% of their closed loan, they have to obtain 5-star review. And they obtain that for you. You are the one who apply to Google and obtain Google business profile. You own that. We will help you build a 5-star review for you. The processor is supposed to do a good job and get a 5-star review for you. They will receive a bonus. The company will pay them a bonus if they can get a 5-star review for you. If they get 4-star review or less, they are in trouble. Okay, we have high standard, and our processor have to do a good job to help you. So most of you make a big mistake, or most of you know that we are providing a service. We know that nowadays all clients they look at review in order to know if you are good or not. They look at review, but most of you don't even have a review. That is really bad. At Loan Factory, we help you. We help you create an account with Google. You own that account so that in the future, if you leave Loan Factory, you take it with you. Not at other company, nobody help you like that. Okay. And we promote you. If you have more review, you see that we promote you. The more review you have, the more promotion you will get. We want our client to work with the best loan officer. And let's look at Sam. See, we have information about Sam. We'll look at someone else. Let's see. Let me see who else. You can have your own AI. Your own domain name. So instead of using a domain name like this, you can have your own domain name. Okay, we will help you. And if you click on this website, you can see the website. You can see this is the website belong to Min Nika. Her information here. Everything is about her. Everything. Okay. And here's the mobile app that we promote. If the customer scan it, download it, the customer belong to this loan officer. I think I share a lot of information already. Let me share a few more. Okay, here. On our website, you can see there's a lot of feature. The rate alert feature is a very cool feature. You can see we track the status of the rate alert. In the money, near the money, or out the money. In the money, that means the target hit, and we should notify them daily. So today, only one person have the rate hit. You can see that every day, I have 20,000 standalone alert and 13,000 alert that link to a transaction. Out of that, 6,000 are active. That means we monitor every day. Near the money, we have to monitor every day. So when rate drop, I can easily have 20 or 30 or 100 of rate alert hit. And then I can call them and ask them to apply. This is the key. This is how I become successful. Technology help make everything easy, everything possible. So look at you. When you help a client, after you close the loan, let's say you lock a loan, you close a loan last month, the rate is 6.5. Most of you don't have a tool to help you capture the client, retain the clients. When rate drop, most of you don't know what to do. You can call the client, but you have so many clients, you don't know who to call. Our rate alert is so powerful. So here's the process. Every single client, every single loan that I have, I create a rate alert for them. So here's the process. The borrower fill out application. Let me go back to the process, the loan process. The borrower apply, they pull credit, they upload documents, they finish the application, right? Our system know what document the borrower should upload, depend on if they are W-2 or 1099, depend on their employment history, depend on if it's a purchase or refinance. We know what to ask for, if it's a condo or not. So as soon as the borrower finishes the application, we show them the list of conditions, a list of documents that we ask for, we need from them. The borrower will upload it. The system also know the borrower fill out an application on your website. So we will text you the moment they fill out the application. I say, hey, Rob, Kevin just fill out the application. We let you know right away so that you can call the borrower when they fill out the application. That way you can call them and say, hey, Kevin, thank you. I saw you go to my website and fill out the application. I saw that you are 80% complete right now. So you have any question for me so far? You have any problem filling out the application? I can help you. So that kind of service is what we want to help them. And after they finish the application, of course, you're supposed to jump in right away, review the 1003, review the documents, and of course, you want to pull credit report, run AUS, structure the loan, make sure everything is good. You can also click a button to create a rate alert. You will pick the lender for them. You decide what lender you should send the loan to, right? What kind of rate? You create a rate alert. So I always create rate alert for all my clients. And then I call the client up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for filling out the application and upload all the documents. I review it. Everything look good. Your rate is right now is at 6.25%. No point. I create a rate alert for you already. Every morning at 9 a.m., you can check your email for the rate. If you like the rate, you call me, I will lock it for you. If it's not good, we have to wait. But since this is a purchase, we don't have a lot of time. We must lock the rate within the next 2 weeks. If it drags on too long, we will not be able to close on time. So make sure you call me to lock the rate. Make sure you monitor the rate. So you can see that I shift the responsibility to the borrower. I don't have to monitor the rate for them. I don't have to make decisions for them. They will monitor the rate. They will tell me what they want, when they want to lock the rate and what rate they want. And when I create rate alert, is when I convert it to a loan. So what happened is, you can see here we have an application and loan pipeline. So when the loan ready to be submitted to the lender, we move it from application to loans. That we call that a convert. You convert a loan, an application to a loan. And when we convert that, we pick the channel, correspondent or wholesale. We pick the lender. What lender? We pick a rate. We pick the compensation, everything. You decide all of that. You set it in the system. And the processor will jump on and follow your instruction and submit your loan to the lender within 4 business hours. We have turn time, 4 business hours. Normally 1 or 2 hours, they submit already. They issue disclosure already. We have AI too. We integrate with Rocket so that our AI will submit it for you. When you are the one control and see what's going on, our AI will do that in front of you. So after the loan is submitted to the lender, the processor will take over and handle everything. They register the loan to the lender, they issue disclosure, they monitor until the loan is approved. They call you when the loan is approved. They go over condition with you. They work with your clients. They work with title, escrow, insurance agent, employer. They work with everyone. Their responsibility is to bring the loan to close on time for you. You don't have to worry. So your job is very little in the middle. The borrower do everything initially. They fill application, upload document, they pull credit report, they monitor the rate, they tell you what to lock, when to lock. You are the middle person. You make sure the processor work with your client. The processor submit the loan, issue disclosure, clear all condition, work with all parties, do everything. And all you need to do is click the loan, click on request commission after the loan is closed. That's it. You do very little. We change the process. We make everything so easy for you so that you can focus on building relationship with clients, with realtor. You can focus on marketing. You can focus on bringing more transactions, more loans. So that is what's going on at Loan Factory. We help you. We help you so that we free you up. And you can see, so the rate alert, let's go back to the rate alert. We create rate alert for them. It monitors the rate every day, right? But the moment we lock the rate, you go in and input what rate you lock for them. We send them a rate lock confirmation. And we turn off the rate alert. So we disable it. And the rate alert will be disabled for 4.5 months after the loan is closed. Then we turn it on again. We set a new target rate. So every single client, I have rate alert to monitor the rate for them. And see, that's why I have so many rate alerts. It's the discipline. You have to do things correctly so that you build a system, you build a database. That way, for me, to be honest with you, I can retire and I can close 50 loans a month easily because I have so many thousand clients know me, like me, and want to work with me. So many thousand rate alert running every day. So this is what you need to build so that you can make so much money in the future. Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Tuan. Thank you. Sorry to interrupt, but can you please repeat again about when we exactly do rate alert? After we lock the rate?
Yes.
And then we disable it? So can you?
No, the system do everything for you.
Okay.
The system do everything for you. So basically, on the application, when borrow fill out application, you can run the pricing like this. You see the rate,
yeah,
and you run the pricing for the loan, right? You run the pricing for the loan. You see which lender is best. You pick that lender for your client. You create rate alert. Picking the create rate alert and picking the lender are the same. So for example, you see that CMG Financial have the best rate. You can go here and create rate alert. It will pick that. It will pick that lender for you automatically.
Okay.
If it doesn't have a loan, it pick all lender. But if you pick one lender, it stay with that lender, and the alert will be running every day automatically.
Okay,
and
but
then
for
when
one client?
For one client, of course, every client have one alert.
Yeah, I understand. But after I set a rate alert or choose this lender, then they automatically will send rate alert to that client.
Yes, everything automatic. Everything automatic.
Okay.
And it will send the client email every day until we lock the rate.
Okay.
We turn it off automatically. Of course, you need to go in and say rate lock. You change the status to rate lock. You lock for this rate. That way, the client know what rate you lock for them. They receive a rate lock confirmation, and the system will turn it off automatically.
Okay.
And then 4.5 months after the loan close, the system is smart. Turn it on automatically for you.
Okay, that's very clear now. Thank you.
Yeah,
so much.
yeah. The system will turn on automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we have many more features like closing gift. We do a curtain board for our clients. We have a ticket system. So if you have any question, you can create a ticket for people to help you. All kind of ticket. You can build relationship with referral partner. A wallet loan factory IQ is something really cool. You heard about HomeBot, right? Or My Home IQ. So this is the same, but better. It's free. The quota is a lot higher. You can share that to your realtor. You see, I have 25,000 homeowners. We call that homeowners. Each homeowner will receive a report from me, like here. I can pick someone else, right here, right? I send 9 email. He read 2 email. He opened it 1. He read it 1. So here's the report we send to the homeowner. Your information will show on top, so the homeowner can always see you every month. Once a month, we send them a report. Almost all of them love the report. This is a great tool, and you have to use it. We show them their address, their estimated value, how much equity they have, how much is their interest rate. We know everything about them. Everything about their mortgage and their property, we know about that. We put into our report, we show that to them. How much equity they have, home value, what they can do with the equity. They can cash out or they can do a credit line. They can track the loan journey, how much they have been paying already. They can pay more if they want to save money, and they can see if they pay more, how much time they can save. They can play around with it. If they choose to refinance, what is the current rate right now compared to this? And they can do a rate alert too. We here check your rate right here. Everything built for you. Your rate, your price and engine, everything. They can explore it when they buy a new house. So we build it for you. It's beautiful and it's free. Hey, Jonathan.
Hi, can
Hello,
you hear me
Jonathan.
now? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, in case I have a wholesale source that is not with you, would it be possible to recommend to get approved with that source?
What source? I'm sorry.
Like, for instance, I have a lending source for ground up construction and fix and flip, but they're not we're not approved with them yet. Should I
Yeah.
make a recommendation?
Yeah. Of course.
All right, cool. Thank
Of
you.
course. We want to hear from you. If it's good, we will sign up. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we have a few more features. Let me share with you. Okay. Marketing feature. We have marketing material here for you to promote. All you need to do is generate, and your information, your avatar picture will show up, and you can promote it. 1 click. That's it. That's all you need. Click on it and it generate. That's where. Yeah, you get 1 click. You can generate it. Give me 2 minutes. I want all of you to play around with our website and take a look at this. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. Hello, hi everyone. I'm back. So, any question on this? We have thousands of images for you to promote on your social media. It's all kind of things. Yes.
For questions regarding your online order, please press 3. For any other
Wait, you have question about what? I'm sorry. Okay, so let me continue. So you all kind of images. Okay. You can promote a daily rate. You can promote a faster clear loan. If you close loan in 5 days, 7 days, if you get a 5-star review, you can promote it. If you get a 5-star review, you can generate it and promote it. All kind of marketing material. Review, Google review, we help you obtain it. Facebook ads, we help you run ads easily. We create a tool we call Facebook ads to help you run Facebook ads. It takes less than a minute. We have a template already. You can decide that you want to run ads so that you can generate lead, instant lead, or you want to generate traffic to your website. And we have a template already. You can click on it to generate it. Okay. You can click on it to generate it. You can enter a budget per day, $20 per day for how many days, up to you. You can change the image or the text of the ads if you want to. You can select the state that you want to run. You want to select the detail targeting, what you want to target. You can even check here to receive notification to your cell phone when a new lead is created. So you can do all of this yourself. So easy. So easy. Okay. And let me see. There's another feature we call Ally Automated Marketing. So you can see this feature that help you active on social media. Most of us are not good with social media. So you can see Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google business profile. You can create a post. And you can pick a template, or you can create a new one, brand new one here. You can type it in, or you can pick a template and then fix it, and then have AI improve it for you. Or AI can generate a new image for you, and you can publish it, or you can post it, or you can schedule it. When you post it, you can select where you want to post it. So this feature is really cool. The feature is really cool. You have business card right here, the digital business card. You can copy the link, share that, publish it. You can do a setting here where you can set up your social media page, or you can set up auto post. That means whenever you have a loan close, or you clear the close a loan, or you get 5-star review, you can automatically have our system post it for you automatically. You don't have to spend time posting it. Okay. So these are the automated marketing. Everything is free. Remember, everything is free. And now marketing can post for you every day too if you want. You select that option, auto post, and the team can post it for you. We have email drip campaign on any holiday. You can target your realtor or all your clients. You can target your lead, your prospect, your client. All of these will be done automatically. You don't have to do it manually. Hello, repeat.
Hey, good afternoon. Thank you for sharing that wonderful information. My question, I'm just based in Georgia, so we have operation going on in Georgia too?
Yes, we have license in 48 states.
Oh, thank you so much. Really appreciate
Yeah,
for that. Yeah.
thank you. Thank you. So we have more information here. We have email drip campaign, right? We can drip them, you can set it up, you can customize it, you can do whatever you want with the email drip campaign. We also store a contact list, many contact lists. You know, for me, like I keep a list of a lot of loan officer, like here, 106,000 loan officer. I have all kind of lists I can use to click on it, and then I can send text message or email to all of them. I can send email or text message, and I can select a template. It will populate automatically for me, and then I can modify it before I send it out. So this is a great tool for me to reach out to my clients regularly. Lead funnel and widget, newsletter, my rate update, all kind of tool. We have training academy for you to learn. It's online education. We have so much more to offer you, a lot more. But you know that it's been almost an hour and 20 minutes. So you can see that we've done so much to help you, so much more than any other company out there. And we charge you almost nothing. We don't charge monthly fee, nothing. You only pay a small flat fee. And the pricing is so good that it more than make it up the $595. Even a lot of broker, they decide to shut down to join us because they get better pricing and they get everything, all the support, all the resources from Loan Factory for free. So that is what happening, why so many people want to join Loan Factory. And I want you to compare your current company versus Loan Factory. Who can help you grow your business better? I want to compare the pricing, the service, the technology, everything, so that it help you become a better loan officer. If you have any question, ask me now. This is the best time for you to ask me any questions. Any question? Cool. So I really want you to keep thinking. If you don't have any problem, that is not good. Everyone must have problem because everyone must try to grow your business. If you want to do better, if you want to close more loan, if you want to have more clients, it's not easy. You must have a lot of problem, a lot of question. So that is why I want you to keep thinking. Thinking is a good, I require most of my staff and my manager to keep thinking, because when you think, you can plan things. Thinking will help you. I want all of you to think, compare, try to ask yourself a lot of questions. How can I close more loan? How can I keep winning? How can I become so active on social media? Where can I find the clients? How do I promote myself? How do other people promote themselves? How can some other loan officer close so many loans and not me? Keep asking a lot of questions, thinking. That's what I mean, thinking. Keep asking yourself a lot of questions and try to find the answer. Hi, Rob.
I know we have a couple questions here really quick. Let me jump in. If we still have time, I know we're getting late. Can you show them the ticketing system too? Because a lot of people want to understand the level of support in the ticket system and stuff that we have for them when they run into problems.
Sure. Here's our ticket system. We go to the main feature here. You can click on my ticket. I think I shared the wrong screen. Get 1 second. Okay, so you go to main feature, ticket, my ticket here. Then you can see all the outstanding ticket, and you can create a new ticket. You can create a ticket, and you can assign it to, if it, first, is it linked to a transaction or not? If not, then we pick, you can ask a department. We have so many departments. You can get a ticket to chat, to give feedback, to report a bug, to report a problem, any ticket. You can write anything. You can write a ticket and assign it. And then within, I believe, 4 hours, we have a turn time. You get a response. That's how we support our loan officer. We want to make sure everyone know what to do. All the questions should be answered. We should have no complaint. Everyone should be good, should be happy. Thank you, Seth. Hi, Rob.
Hey, on the correspondent programs, do you have additional fees for warehouse fees or funding or wire?
Good question. Nothing.
Wow.
Yep. Same pricing with wholesale. That's why I said we are so much better. And loan officer out there, they don't know. They don't know. They've been ripped off. They've been nickel and dime here and there, and they don't even know. They don't know. They got stuck. And when they know, it's too late. It got stuck already. Loan Factory, our system, everything is so good, so transparent. And that's why people love us. And they you know, the reason we are growing fast is people join and they love us and they don't leave. Most other company, people come and leave. And that's why they cannot grow. At Loan Factory, people come and they like it, they stay.
Another question, do you have lenders on the correspondent line that allow attorney opinion letters in lieu of title insurance?
Attorney opinion letter on what?
Yeah, instead of title insurance on a refi, you allow.
I'm not sure about that. We have 5 investors. Yeah.
There's a Fannie program that's kind of in test right now. UWM has it. So I wonder if Rocket has it.
Yeah, we can get back to you. Seth, can you find out the answer and let Rob know, Seth?
Yeah, I'll connect them.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Demetrius?
Yes, how's it going? Just one really quick question. What was the comp structure like again?
Oh, the comp structure is really simple. 100% commission. You get paid 100% minus a flat fee of $5.95 per loan. Got it?
Thank you.
Clear, right? Thank you. Thank you. Make sure one thing that you have to know is if you are licensed and practiced in a W-2 state, then you have to be W-2. You cannot be mixed. You cannot be, W-2 in some state and 1099 in some other state. You cannot do that. Thank you. Hi, Derek.
Is there any what's better to do, just straight broker or correspondent? Are there any advantages of doing a correspondent versus?
Good question. I would say be flexible. We bargain for you so that you get the best pricing, and the pricing will be the same on both channels, and the cost will be the same on both channels. So that's how good we are. We don't charge you extra. Most other companies like Barrett Financial, they charge extra. Like there's a lot of companies that charge extra for sure. They have funding fee, they have all kind of fees. And be flexible. So if you want to charge the borrower the processing fee, you can go correspondent. But again, if the correspondent lenders, they don't have good pricing for your client, go wholesale. Why not? My principle is always to give your client the best rate, the best pricing. Everything else can come later. That's my principle. So that way, the client always happy with you. They don't shop around. Even if they shop around, they cannot find anyone else to compete. And that means you always win. And the client always happy. And everything else is not important at all.
So are you saying if it goes broker, then we could not, the borrower wouldn't pay the processing fee? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, you have to pay. They cannot pay. Unless you choose a third-party processing company. But again, we don't recommend that because they are slow. We cannot control the quality. They are expensive and all that. And there's another way to get around that easily. You can easily make it up by raising your comp. Remember, with wholesale, you should not. Most people do borrow pay compensation, and that means you can change your compensation level, right? 150, 170, 160. You can change it to make it up for the processing fee. It's the same thing. And actually, the client will love you even more because one thing the most client hate is fees. They look at Section 8, they see all kind of fees, they hate you right away. They don't understand that they must look at everything, the rate, the credit, the points, the fees, everything, right? But they don't understand. We understand that. So the deal is everything, the rate, the credit, points, and fee, all of that together. So if you remove the fee, people say, oh, I don't see a lot of fee. They like it. They didn't know that the rate is a little bit higher. The points or whatever, a little bit higher. They don't know. It's the same anyway. But it's all come back to being able to offer the best pricing to your clients. That is so important. Thank you, Derek. Hey, Kim. Hello, Kim. Right, Kim?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yep. I just had two quick questions. One is I come from a heavy reverse world. Do you like reverses anymore, or how do you feel about that?
We have all reverse lender. We have all of them. I think reverse mortgage is very tricky, very difficult to do. So if you're good, why not? And most of it, of course, reverse mortgage is not as good as other type of loans, right? High fee and all that. But some borrower like it. They want it. They need it. So there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah.
Yeah, because I like to get in there, with saving the elders before anything else happens.
Exactly.
So it's been a blessing in my life. Okay, and then real quick, if I wanted to get in on your lead buying, I'm kind of in a situation where I'd want to rush that. Upon onboarding, how fast do you think I could potentially buy them?
The two things, onboarding can happen very fast. Our team is standby and help you move quickly. So everything fast. When you talk about lead, can you share with me a little bit more about that?
I was just thinking maybe you had a lead platform where I could buy some leads, or I know you're opening up a center like next month or something, right?
Yes. So let me share with you. We have we built a call center here. Here's the call center that we built. It's the latest technology. AI help run it, monitor everything. It's the best call center out there because when we buy lead, we'll get lead in real time.
Okay.
We notify you in real time. Everything real time. You tap on it, you call the lead in real time, right away. Okay. So the goal is to be the first one to call the client. And we plan to sell it to our loan officer at cost. That means we don't mark it up.
Okay.
And we plan to help you in a way that you will love it because you can turn it on and off. You can go live or not live.
Yeah, I'm really excited for it. I did it in 2014 for like 3 years in Scottsdale, and it really was to me really fun. Also.
Yeah. So if you turn off, we will not notify you. We notify someone else in the company to get that lead, to buy that lead. So That way we can make sure we are effectively working with lead. Be the first one, call them. We have a workflow, a call workflow, and a follow-up workflow. We track that. We remind you. We text the borrower. And 3 things that I count on, and I do believe that we will be successful. 3 things that we have that most other companies don't have. First, the technology. It's the latest technology. AI built it, AI run it. Secondly, we have the best rate out there with pylon lending pricing. We can beat everyone else out there. We don't have to cut our margin too much. You know, we can easily make a quarter, 70, let's say 70 bip, and no one else can even compete because they make nothing.
Right.
Think about that. The pricing is so important when we work with lead, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so the technology, the pricing, and I forgot one thing. The technology too. Another technology thing. So imagine this: the moment you pick up the phone and call the client in real time, the pricing show up.
Yeah.
Our pricing engine show up. All you need to do is email or text them. That's it. One click.
Yeah.
Send to them, and then as soon as they pick up the phone, you introduce and say, "Hey, I send you the rate code. Would you like to go over to see how good it is?" Impress them. That's how you impress them. It's transparent. And it's quick. It's so good. Allow them to shop around. Allow them to compare, and always get back to you. And we have 20,000 5-star review as a company.
Yeah.
With all kind of reputation like that, we can easily convert. But again, one thing I want to warn everyone: most loan officers are not good at working with leads. And I don't recommend that. It costs a lot of money. And most of us are not suitable. Our communication is not good. The way we deal with clients, all of that, we are not good enough. Most of us are not good enough. And when I launched this, I only want a few loan officers to try it out on a pilot basis. And when I see the result, we allow more loan officers to join. So I just want to warn everyone. I don't want you to lose money. I know that you might think that you're good, but it's very brutal out there. So I want to make sure whoever buy lead must be good. And you know the risk. You know the risk, and you think you're good enough, you can handle it. You can handle this risk, then you can try.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Anyone have any more questions? You just believe that I am working very hard to help you. I want you to be successful. I want to build my reputation that I'm able to help you become successful. So I'm always, doing things to help you. We invest a lot in technology. Wherever feedback you have that's good, we will consider that and make it happen so that you can benefit. Anyone else have more questions for me? I mean, it's almost 2 hours. Amazing. I was thinking I try to cap it at 1 hour, and you can see that the whole 2 hour long, everything happens so fast, a lot of great information, right? That means it's good. If you attend a meeting and it only half an hour and you get bored, everything is nothing new, nothing special, that means it's not good. Here, 2 hour long. So I want all of you to keep thinking a lot about what I show you, learn something from me, learn something from Loan Factory, and apply it to your business. I want you to do better. And most of you, if it is not a good time to join right now, that's fine. I want you to keep thinking. I want you to keep improve your business, because I believe that one day you have to join, because Loan Factory keep getting better and better. And most company out there stay at the same place. They have nothing new. They have nothing to help their loan officer. And eventually, you have to join a better platform so that your business can become better. That's it. That's common sense. Hi, Uli. Hi, Uli.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I had a question on your LOS proprietary model.
Yes.
How fast can it spit out findings to provide like a pre-approval letter?
Right away.
Okay. And then
Right away.
also,
You
does
can-
it have like a income calculation kind of AI?
Yes.
Like Arrive does?
Yes. We have everything. The system calculate for you, AI calculate for you. You can look at that. And when we calculate, we generate a worksheet for you to look at it so that you see how it calculated. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep. We even have an AI tool to help you audit the loan. So we audit the penalty to see anything wrong with it. We audit the document. We compare the document to the 1003. And to help you detect the problem early. You don't want to send the loan to the lender underwriter, and then they find a problem and get back, and it's messy, right? If you are smart, you'll be slowly read the 1003, read the document, compare them, make sure everything makes sense, everything looks good before you submit. That calls structuring the loan. And the good loan officer always have to do that. And you have to be good at that. And we have an AI tool to help you with that. Yeah.
Thank you. That was helpful. And then
Thank
one
you.
last question. Do you have a kind of like an AI support team where I could like look at a specific scenario to make sure it fits like FHA or if it fits conventional rules?
You can ask AI or you can ask our underwriter.
Okay.
Our underwriter will take a look for you. Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
To help you out. Yeah. You already have an application. All you need to create a ticket, assign to underwriter. Say, hey, can you help me with this? They will take care of it for you.
Yeah,
Free.
just to like income, over time, if it fits.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
They will look at it for you. Yeah.
Okay,
Hi,
thank you.
Kiana. Kiana.
Oh, hi there. I'm so sorry. My camera is not working.
That's
I
fine.
switched systems. But I wanted to ask for the credit, do we have something here like Credit Expert where we can assist with getting their scores improved as well? I'm sorry if I missed it.
Yes. We do have that. So Rocket, they offer free credit upgrade. They are very good. They offer, you can send a loan to them. You can pull credit with them. They offer FICO score and Vantage score. And if Vantage score is at least 20 points higher, they use the Vantage score to give your client better pricing. And when you pull the credit report, on top of the credit report, you say plus 15, plus 5, plus 30.
Yeah.
That is how much the credit can go up. You can ask Rocket to work with your client to improve the score for free. They will work with your client for free. They will help bring the score up. And as soon as the score went up, they will apply the new pricing to the loan. So it's beautiful. It's
That's
free.
beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kiana. Yeah, if we are smart, we should try everything possible to help our clients. Instead of fighting to give them the better rate, you can look at the loan, figure out the problem with the loan, figure out that, I can help him or her improve the score by this much. Therefore, they can get better pricing. So I can tell the client that, hey, you can get this pricing. The only thing you need to do is have $2,000 paid out your credit card. Come on, they love that, right? Why not? So it's all about you. If you are good enough, you can provide better advice, give them better advice, better pricing, better loan, and they will love you. So that's why I said, try to gain a lot of experience, try to go out there, help a lot of clients so that you become better. And once you become better, your business will flow in. I mean, everything gonna be so much better. So thank you, everyone. I mean, it's fun chatting with you. I was trying to cap it at 1 hour, an hour and a half, and now it's 2 hours already. But it's great. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice weekend. Keep in touch, okay? If you really want to talk to me, you can talk to me if you want to. The team will reach out to you, and you can. I can give you my cell phone, but I just want you to talk to and get help from my team. If anything they cannot answer, or if they cannot answer well, or if you want to chat with me, you can call me. I just put in my number in the chat box. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.